Hey guys, the time is currently 9:30 and still we do not have a setup and we're still waiting. And this is the morning session. I still have the afternoon session in case there is no setup in the morning session. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how today goes. This is about 12:30 and I finally got a setup, but there is no entry yet. And I'm kind of like contemplating on the setup because price already give a kind of like instant entry, a quick entry, and when it does this, it usually doesn't go this deep the way it did today. And I'm kind of like, should I ignore the trade or take it? But it's still valid because price did not kind of like violate any rule on the setup. But let me just show you what's going on. So you see how price tapped the entry right here. This horizontal line right here is the entry. You see how price tapped it with this candle. Before it went this bullish, it tapped that level right there. You see how it tapped the zone and just pushed up. Now when you look at it like this, you can feel like this is the actual move for the setup, and you kind of like feel this is the actual move for the setup because it's really over 1,500 pips. But still, there's no violation on the setup. So let's see. I'm actually risking 200 pips for 1,000 pips, which is a 1 to 5. I already placed the order on MT5. So let's update our Telegram. So yeah, we are done. So guys, that trade smashed our stop loss. Instant smash. This trade was actually crazy, guys. Damn. So guys, we are done for the day. We are done for today. And we are not taking any trades tomorrow because it's just one trade per day and we skip the next day. So we are not taking any trades. We are not coming to the charts tomorrow. See you all next tomorrow.